Hey there, how we all doing today? You can tell by the Oris box we're unboxing an Oris, and here you got the warranty card, real cool. And then you got the booklet on top, and by this booklet, it's a Calibre 400 series. The Calibre 400 is an in-house movement by Oris. Very cool movement. What's nice about Oris is they're always trying to innovate and create new things. They're really into watchmaking, and it shows with new movements like this, the different types of watches they kind of come up with. They're an independent company. They're small, but they kind of come up and do a bunch of cool things. And here you got the little manual and booklet here. You can put your card in there like that so you don't lose it. So it's a little booklet. It's almost like a little drawer, the way they kind of designed it there to pull out. So now here, well, let's take a look at the watch. That's what we're all here for. And there you go. Whew. It's a good looking watch. Let me get it to you guys. Man, check out that blue. So rich, so nice. I'll get the plastic off of it in a second, and we'll really take a look at this. This is the two-tone look of the 400. We did the 400 all stainless steel when the 400 first came out, and now with this two-tone and that blue, it is stunning. And this one also has that bracelet that's easy to pop off and pop on. Um, my only issue with the bracelet is I've been trying to get some from Oris, so you can swap them out and stuff. They're not in stock very much, and here you go without the plastic. Look at that. That is just a beautiful looking watch. Any way you look at it, that deep dark blue, just killer. And this watch houses the Calibre 400, and it's their new standard in automatic watchmaking, and it's conceived entirely in-house by Oris. Oris again is an independent Swiss watch company, and their engineers kind of came up with this. So it's a 5-day movement, and it's got anti-magnetism, and it comes with a 10-year warranty. So overall, a great movement, and it's a 10-year recommended service intervals. And so this reference model for this watch is 01 400 dash 07 82209 PEB. Wow, that is a long number, but that is kind of like all Oris models. This is the Aquis. It's a 41.5 millimeter case, and this one comes with the stainless steel bracelet. Now the top ring there, the bezel on there is an 18 karat yellow gold, and it's got ceramic in the bezel as well there, and it's a sapphire crystal, domed on both sides, and it's got a see-through sapphire glass on the back of the watch as well. In a second, after we're done taking a look at the watch at different angles, I'll pop out the back so you guys can kind of take a look at it. The back, the caliber, the movement is beautiful. Oris used to be known for the red rotors, uh, but I love this new design with the logo. It just looks pretty cool. And this again is the Calibre 400. And the water resistance on this is a dive watch. It is 30 bar or 300 meters. So very cool watch overall. With the coloring in the blue, of course, it's gonna get, you think, hey, it's a knockoff of the Submariner or something. But when you look at it, the blue is different. Um, might kind of give you that vibes, but it's its own thing. And once you kind of get that, in mind. And I mean, they're in totally different price categories. You know, you get the two-tone Rolex compared to, you know, this Oris. You know, it's just two different things, but it is a stunningly beautiful watch, and I think a great addition to the Oris dive watches. Most of the Oris dive watches, usually you got the bronze ones, and you know, mostly the stainless steel. So it's nice to have this like 18 karat gold edition there. And here you can see the movement. You can see the Oris logo there. You can see the heart beating right there. Just a killer piece. And you can see there where the bracelet straps out, and then you put it in like if you want a rubber bracelet, like they have a blue color band that comes with. It doesn't come with the watch, but a blue band fits on it. You can of course buy the blue strap, and you know, go between the blue one and the metal bracelet. They also have a black that fits on there as well, and there's your clasp, the push button release there on that. So just a real clean looking watch, very nice. And yeah, see, there it is again, that little doohickey there that just kind of unpops, and then you put it in. But again, the hardest part about this is trying to get the straps, because I guess it's popular and a new thing, and they're hard to find. And here we go, it's on my wrist. And again, the size on this one is the 41.5 millimeter Oris Aquis, and it hugs the wrist nicely, especially if you compare to the Oris Diver 65. The lugs on those stick out a little bit, even on a wrist like my size. My wrist is about a 7.5 inch wrist, and the legs kind of protrude a little bit. This one is just really nice, the way it fits right around the wrist. It kind of feels like you're not even wearing it, but you know, you got the weight from the stainless on there. I'm just talking about you don't bang it up too much, because it really sits nice and tight there. And let's take a second and we'll go take a look at the lume of this guy in the dark, and one more view of this guy. It's hard to go in the dark room. We won't be able to see that beautiful blue on this watch, but here you go. And then you could see the little bit at the 6 o'clock. That one there is where you don't have the glow on there, because that's where you find the date right there. There's a little tiny dot that's glowing there. So that's why you've got that kind of pattern, because the date on the bottom. But great lume overall on this guy. You can see the second hand going away at it, and the bezel marker on the top. So overall, a killer watch. I think this is definitely a home run for Oris. And you know, with that 5-day power reserve, that's really convenient. You know, how many of them that you got are like 40 hours, so you wear them for about 2 days, and then, I mean, you wear them and then you leave them gone for 2 days and you forget, so you have to reset the watch. 5 days is great. I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.